Hey guys, it's Billy and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be dyeing my hair with Arctic Fox's new hair color, Blue Jean Baby. I'm super excited. I decided that I wanted to make it a pastel blue in hopes that it would be like a pale blue jean color. And yeah, I can't wait for you guys to see the results. Since I'm only doing half of my head, I'm going to part my hair down the middle. I have all of my utensils ready. It is also 2:37 a.m. right now. I took a little nap and then decided I actually wanted to dye my hair tonight, so here's this. And as you can see, I could not get all of the pink out of my hair. I tried so hard and I just figured I would use I don't know, very cool colors over it and see if it would just slowly lift throughout time. And it's light enough to where it doesn't really matter, but I just thought I would talk about it because it's there. So what I have here is just a bowl of conditioner and the Blue Jean Baby hair color. What I did for this conditioner, I did not realize before. I did not have enough conditioner, so I diluted it with water, and it just made it a little less thick of a consistency, and it did fine. I don't know why I haven't been doing this. If any of you guys don't have enough conditioner, just literally dilute it with water. But yeah, this color is so pretty, and at some point I have to dye my hair the true color that it is, but right now I really want a pastel color. And I thought it would be cool to figure out what it looked like pastel. So yeah, what I'm going to do is just put a couple drops in and mix up the conditioner each time just to figure out what color I like the best. So I always go in with the brush to do my roots, and then for the rest I just kind of use my hands because I feel like the brush is hard to use once it gets to that point, especially when you're doing it yourself. So that's kind of just what I do. I also don't ever use gloves, but I don't really think it matters because the hair dye I use isn't toxic. So I'd be using no gloves. As you can see, it kind of turned to a very nice blue-gray. I am totally loving this color. It's absolutely one of my favorite colors, so I was so excited when I saw that they had this hair dye because I figured it had this potential to be this whenever it was pastel. So yeah, it turned out exactly how I wanted it to, and 12 out of 10. It's nice to have blue hair again. I feel like it's been a good year. Yeah, a good year since I've had blue in my hair, and I feel like it complements my paleness very well. I think this is one of my favorite hair colors on myself, along with yellow and pink. I like orange too, which was very surprising for me because I really didn't think I'd like it. I'm not a fan of orange, the color, so I didn't think I'd like it on my hair. So yeah, once we've saturated the hair fully, I just kind of like to go through and put all the dye that I made throughout my hair to make sure I really got every strand covered. And yeah, then just put it up in a little bun and wait a good 20 minutes to an hour, or some people sleep in their hair dye. I personally don't, but you totally can. And it's been about an hour since I started. I'm going to do a little face mask and then wash out the hair dye. I'm going to use this Clinique Blackhead scrub. It's really well. I would recommend it. I've been using it for the past month or so, and I just like to use it in the shower or as a face mask sometimes.
Yeah. Make people so mad. Yeah. They want it so bad. Well, we was fucking almost missed my flight.
And she's been washed. I adore the color. This is like one of my favorites. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed watching me dye my hair. Be sure to like and subscribe if you like. And yeah, bye guys.
But it's tough. Now you wanna see me fall. From a quarter mile, I can see you at the call. Think about it, ring will tell you what I saw. When you break it up, you'll see who had it all.